Hello friends, this is Rs.500 Pkr and you're watching Grooming Logics, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the cheap and the best wireless mouse. Yes, you're right, the best and the cheap wireless mouse. However, it doesn't seem to be the cheap wireless mouse. It seems to be the expensive wireless mouse, but the fact is it's the cheap one. And this is the Dismo wireless mouse. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start its unboxing. As I've already opened up the box, so inside the box there is a mouse itself. Let me open this one. Here is the mouse itself, and apart from that there is a double A size battery. Okay, so here is the mouse. I mean, look at this mouse. This mouse doesn't feel to be the cheaper. This feels to be the expensive mouse. The quality wise, the build wise, it looks quite expensive. So how to insert a battery? All you need to do is just open the lid, and here you have to place the battery here like this, and there's a dongle placement. So that's good, you won't lose this dongle. The first button is the DPI switcher, as you can see. So it switches between 3 DPI levels, and the other thing is a scroller, and it's quite handy. And now the left click and the right click. Let me show you. And now there are two extra buttons, the first one and the second one. Well, the first one button is used to move forward in the file explorer, and the second button is used to move back. Now at the back there is a button to on and off, and the button are actually in 3 levels. The first level is the mouse is turned on, and the second level is the mouse is turned also on, but here you notice a blue light is turned on, which looks quite nice in dark. Okay, so that was all about the cheapest but the best wireless mouse. However, it doesn't seem to be on the cheapest side, it seems to be on an expensive side. Now if you like my video, then you know exactly what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe. And also let me know in the comment section that what improvements should I make in my upcoming videos. This is Rs.500 and I'm signing off. See you, bye bye, take care, catch you in the next video.